Alright everyone, welcome back to another episode. It's definitely been a few days since I uploaded the last video. If you guys haven't seen, it was the video where we went ahead and upgraded the bulbs on the Integra. We went ahead and put on the auxito LED bulbs. Now that really made a big difference as far as visibility. If you guys are still running halogen bulbs, I highly recommend that you guys switch over to LEDs. Auxito LEDs offer a good selection. Actually, they offer a wide selection for all makes and models. So if you guys are still like I was on the Integra with the old yellow lights, now it's time to go ahead and switch over. I do have a link on the description down below. If you guys use Daniel M Life on the discount code as you guys check out, you guys will save 15%. So that will be a good savings, and not to mention it'll improve the headlight, the visibility at night. That's a safety feature, and it'll also enhance the look of the vehicle. So as you guys saw, when I go ahead and put both the low beams and high beams, this thing looks incredible. I feel like the bulbs actually switch over to 2000 bulbs, so I'm really happy with the way everything's looking out. I've been making adjustments to the suspension still, more than anything to the rear. I needed to add some synthetic white grease onto the joints for the rear camber. I was getting a little squeak, so I went ahead and just greased up those, I'm not sure if they're polyurethane ball joints, because I know that they're not rubber. So we definitely had to go ahead and make sure that those were properly installed. So again, just adding that grease really quieted down the noise factor. Now with that being said, I did order a few more things for the Integra. I think I might have ordered 3 or 4 items. I might be still questionable on the 4th, just because if I get a 4th item, I might have to get a 5th, and then there's a 6th item as well. Guys, there's so many parts that I want to go ahead and get for the Integra, but everything is really difficult to get, just because again, everything is already 30 years old. For instance, this car will be 30 years old next year, so some of these parts were made for up to 2001, but they only fit the 98 through 2001 chassis. One of the items that happens to fit for the entire chassis is in one of those boxes. Actually, go ahead and unbox one of them. I'll go ahead and share with you guys what I've been ordering. Guys, I have a really bad habit, but fortunately for you guys, I get to share with you guys my bad habit. So let's go ahead and start with box number 1. This item I actually purchased off of eBay, and this is another one of those parts where, like I said, this was originally a 1998 or 1999 part, which would be for the later Integras, but nevertheless this part will fit this car. And actually it came with floor mats. It came with black floor mats from the 2006 SI, I believe. And I went ahead and removed them, and I got some WeatherTech. At the time I couldn't find some OEM floor mats, so I went ahead and just opted out for what was easily accessible, and that was the WeatherTech floor mats. A few years down the line, I'm finally able to just kind of focus on the build. And with that being said, some of these parts have become more scarce than 4 or 5 years ago. But I got very lucky, and I went ahead and picked out this very beautiful clean set of OEM floor mats. So let me go ahead and unbox this with you guys to make sure that I didn't get ripped off, and to possibly enhance the vehicle. And yeah, just the whole interior. I think we're taking this whole Integra to another level. This item actually came from North Carolina, I believe. I have another item that's coming from Australia. I think it's stuck in customs, so that will be here in the next few days. Now, before I install these, I'm gonna have to just let them sit out on a hot day, so that way they can just kind of, get back to their original flat form. But big shout out to the sender. He actually went ahead and shipped it out in the perfect box. Let's take a look at the floor mats. I can already tell you these look very clean. Oh wow, this is really awesome. I feel like a kid just opening like gifts for Christmas. I mean, again, these items are very hard to come by. There it is, you guys. A set of OEM floor mats in the tan color. Man, I will tell you guys, I've been on eBay for the past few weeks just looking non-stop at items that I can honestly continue to add to the Integra, and this is a very, very special set of floor mats. Again, I do have a set of WeatherTech, which I'm gonna continue to have on the vehicle, but I do want to protect the floor mats, and I also want to protect the OEM carpet. So with that said, that is a very nice, very nice, I can't say modification. So these are a very nice set of floor mats that I was able to get for the Integra, so I cannot wait to throw them on there. But for now, let's go ahead and get to the other box. Alright, now this item I was able to get from ICB Motors. I'll be honest with you guys, I've been contemplating on this one. It's been on my checkout, on my cart for the past 2 weeks, I would say. The only reason why I just haven't made the purchase is because this item right here was $700, and it's a lot of money for what it's gonna be, and some will like it, some will not. I personally feel that these particular items really do enhance the look of the car, especially around that particular section. Man, I can't really wait to share. So I forgot to mention, this item is supposed to be brand new, so if everything is shipped accordingly, then this item is brand new, and we are just opening up this item for the first time. So let's continue with the unboxing. Again, as you guys know, nothing but OEM parts. I will say I was a little worried about this shipment, but given that I'm having to unbox 4 boxes, it shows that these guys have been shipping this thing and have had prior experiences. I'm taking out very good ones. That's why the number of boxes that this came in. And we are here. This is the moment. I don't know if you guys saw me, but I was drooling. Oh, man. A lot of excitement. Alright, so the only reason why I'm laughing is because I think had I bought these items back in the time when they were easily accessible, I would have probably spent maybe about $300. But because it's already a vintage part and it's limited numbers, I had to pay double the price, maybe triple the price. But nevertheless, like I said, these are brand spanking new. It's nothing like that feeling that you guys are getting a new part. Now, here's the unfortunate part about this. I don't know if I'm going to be installing this today just because I think I want to do a PPF install on this. Now, no, I just went ahead and spent $700. Can I spend another maybe $300 to $400 just in PPFing this whole trim? Wow, that is a very tough question that I have to answer myself, because once I go ahead and wash this part and I dry it with a microfiber towel, there is a 99% chance that this thing will get scratched. Does it matter? Probably not, but given the price that I'm paying, I think maybe it does matter. That being said, let me go ahead and continue the unboxing, and then I'll continue to show you guys that this whole thing comes with all the hardware that I'm gonna need to make the install. To complete the installation process, I can just go ahead to IBC Motors online, and they actually have the instructions for the whole installation. Now, like I said, each one of these visors, because that's what we're gonna go ahead and put on, comes with its own hardware. So again, that's the good thing about having everything just being brand new. I saw a set going for $300, and when I asked the person what the condition was, his reply was a 6 out of 10. And honestly, I didn't want to lowball him since I know a lot of people get offended, and I didn't want to take a chance. That's a lot of money. Even $300 is a lot of money. So knowing that these are brand new, it gives me that peace of mind to know that at least it was money that I'm spending, and if I break it, then at least it's me that breaks it. And I think there's no other feeling to know that it's you breaking something, not somebody else. So let's continue with this unboxing. You guys are just hearing me just talk my mouth off over here. Nonsense. Wow. This thing is beautiful, you guys. And that's just because I'm a nerd. I'm a nerd like that. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, check that out. Wow. The best part about it is that it says Integra right here. And you can see all the clips where it's supposed to line up. So, like I said, a little sad just because I'm not gonna do the install today. I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know when I'm gonna do the install. I gotta talk to Raphael. I gotta see when he can be out here, because yeah, this is something else. This is the passenger side. I'm not gonna show you this side just because if I go to the other side, it's gonna be too dark and you guys won't be able to see it on camera. So let me unbox this one really quick before we lose daylight. Alright, so this is the driver's side. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it's gonna look like when it's on the vehicle. I'm not sure how good you guys are gonna be able to see this, but man, this thing looks incredible. I can't wait to install this part. But more importantly, I gotta talk to Raphael. Shoot. Oh yeah. Go ahead and take it off before it falls on the ground. Just one more goodie that's on its way. Hopefully it'll be here in the next day or two. It cleared customs already, so that's a good thing. This part is actually coming from Australia, so big shout out to my Australian people out there for this part that's gonna go ahead and complement this 1996 Acura Integra. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet, turn on your notifications. I'm gonna say comment down below. It's up to you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and reply to all my comments. I've been a little bit away from being able to comment, but I'm gonna go ahead and spend some time and and do my own replies. I like to do my own replies. I don't like to do the auto reply. So whenever you guys get a reply, you guys are getting a reply from me. So make sure to follow me on Instagram if you guys want to go ahead and stay up to date with everything I'm doing. That's where you guys are going to get the most up-to-date information. And yeah, just give me a follow and send me a DM if you guys have any questions on the Integra, the M3, the M4. We're gonna start doing some modifications to the F-150. I believe that we have a few items that I have put away. I've had them for a few months. If you guys know me, you guys know that unfortunately I don't prioritize my own cars. I kind of delay it a bit, but now I think it's time to switch that up. So let's go ahead and get some of these parts on the car. Another thing, a big update is I'm gonna be doing a refresher on the M4. But if you guys want to find out more, stay tuned until the next vlog, and we'll catch you guys next time. Later.